10 million people. $100 billion. A city buried alive.
A skyscraper-sized hole. Floodlights burning miles below.
1,000 pistons. 100,000 tons of force. The Earth doesn't stand a chance.
5 layers deep. Water at the bottom. Power in the middle. Trains on top.
Robots weld steel giants. Blue lasers cut through darkness. Smoke vanishes above.
Follow me down, past spinning fans, through narrow pipes. Hold your breath.
And then this. A city where the sun never shines. Home for 10 million. Main artery. 60 meters wide. Stretching farther than the eye can see.
24/7. Thousands of workers. Building tomorrow. A mile underground.
Every tunnel starts here. The cutter head. 80 tons of teeth eating through stone.
300 teeth. Spinning at 4 RPM. Each revolution eats 6 inches of rock.
The shield, 20 meters across, strong enough to hold back a mountain. Eight miles of conveyor belt, moving crushed rock from the face to the surface.
1 operator. 1,000 sensors. Total control of 100,000 tons.
Contact! Forward front! The mountain just lost!
One kilometer done. Hundreds more to go. The underground city is spreading.
Steel, 2,000 degrees, poured into bones that will hold up a city.
20 tons each. Riding rails into the dark. The skeleton arrives.
Column 1000. Straight up. This is where the city stands.
A grid of steel. Every intersection welded. The foundation of everything.
Hundreds of grids. Waiting in the dark. Soon they'll hold back the Earth.
Concrete sprayed at high velocity, filling every gap. Steel and stone become one.
10 inches of reinforced concrete, strong enough to hold back an ocean of rock.
The bones are in place. A mile underground. The city has a skeleton.
Bottom layer, where the water goes first. Mega pumps ready to move a river.
10,000 gallons per minute. The mountain's water is moving out.
Above the water, cable trays, the nervous system of the underground.
Cables as thick as your arm. Carrying power for 1 million homes.
Every connection perfect. One fault could mean darkness for thousands.
Cooling pipes, miles of them, fighting the Earth's natural heat.
Pipes running for miles, circulating coolant, keeping the city livable. Coolant flowing, heat leaving, 55 degrees year-round.
Water, power, cooling. The veins and arteries are ready. The city can live.
A steel shell, holding back the pressure, directing the flow.
Up the shaft, into the wind. The city's lungs are being installed. Blades bite the air. 1 million cubic feet per minute. The city breathes. CO2 scrubbers, removing what 10 million people breathe out.
Chemical media, each pellet absorbing CO2. Clean air out.
CO2 in. Oxygen out. The plant is working.
Perfect air. Everywhere tested. 10 million people can breathe easy.
Each rail 300 feet long. Riding deeper into the earth.
Thermite welding. 2 rails become 1. Seamless track for miles.
Electromagnets. Levitation. No wheels, no friction, just speed.
Inside the pod, comfortable seating, smooth ride, 200 at a time.
First pod. Deployed. Silent. Smooth. Smooth. 50 miles per hour.
Homes, built on an assembly line, each one identical, each one perfect. Walls, precast, strong, fast, a home every hour.
Panels on the move. Stacked high, heading underground.
Walls become rooms, rooms become homes. A neighborhood rising underground.
Plug and play. Water, power, internet. A home ready to live in.
Inside, modern, comfortable. A home 200 meters down.
A living room. A kitchen. A bedroom. Just like above ground. One building. 500 homes. A community underground. Streets. Trees. Parks. A neighborhood. A mile underground.
The living area, next to the window overlooking the plaza.
Seismic dampers, each one absorbing the energy of an earthquake.
Each damper, 10 tons, heading to its position in the city.
Between every floor, between every wall. Dampers waiting for the big one.
Base isolators, rubber and steel. The building floats on them.
Control room. Every tremor detected. Every building protected.
Earthquake certified. We finally achieved it.
Congratulations, this is a great day for the city.
Power on. Every light. Every machine. Every home. Water on. Clean and fresh. 10 million taps ready.
All systems green, initiating launch sequence.
Confirmed. The pods are away.
Welcome to your new home.
Thank you. We are so excited to be here.
It's beautiful.
Aquí tiene. Que los disfrute.
Muchas gracias. Se ven deliciosos.
$100 billion. 10 million people. One city. Underground.
Above ground. Empty fields. Below ground. A nation. Welcome to the future.